What's going on, everybody? This is the Fan Dude 21 back once again. And what you're looking at here is a Sears Emerson ceiling fan. Manufactured sometime back in 1981. I don't think there was actually a model name ever given to these fans. I'm pretty sure of it. I mean, we always refer to them as a turn of the century or the designer series or designer, Casablanca designer or something like that. But I don't think on this particular version here, it was not called anything actually. It was just Sears ceiling fan. And they always give them their 10 digit long model numbers. So this is a 3-speed fan, and it is not reversible. Like I said, it dates to 1981. 1982 models actually were reversible. And I believe instead of using the faux plastic blades like this one has, they have wood blades, which I have 2 of those actually upstairs in my billiard room in my house here. This one here is a 1981 model, non-reversible. Uses the same Emerson K55 motor. The early ones actually used K63, I believe, from like 1979 on down, possibly even 1980. So, not much really else to say about it. Like I said, most of the parts on this fan are made of plastic. Like I said, the blades are plastic, faux wood grain, motor housing, switch housing, canopies, plastic. And with it being all plastic, it's actually a pretty quiet running fan. Very little vibration noise even heard. And we'll demonstrate that now. I apologize for the open switch cap on the bottom. I didn't feel like digging out a light to put on it. As it had a light on it at one time, but I took it off. So here's low. Like I said, very quiet low speed. So one thing cool about these plastic fans are they hinder vibration a lot, making them pretty dead silent. And we'll take it up to medium. Bearings are in good shape as well, so they really don't make any noise either. It's got a slight wobble. And we'll take it to high. Pretty good airflow. Pretty smooth running fan. And that's about it for this video. So I thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video on this 1981 Sears ceiling fan. Manufactured by Emerson. Take care, everybody, and we'll see you next time.